Hello, this is Maxwell, part of the Semantic Structured Information Project. I'm working alongside Alex, Nick, and Jason to create an application that utilizes optical character recognition, also known as OCR. The purpose of this program is to convert an image file such as PDF, PNG, or JPEG into a readable plain text that the user can store for later use. So let's assume there's a guy named Carl who has two UN documents that he would like to scan. The first plenary meeting, which is 14 pages, and the second plenary meeting, which is only a very short one-page meeting. To do so, you'll import the two files he wants, the first plenary and the second plenary, and then we'll convert it to plain text. This will display a progress bar so he knows how much longer it will take. But because this first document is 14 pages, it will take a while to take. Therefore, I'll skip ahead to when Carl has finished scanning both documents. Once the document has finished scanning, Carl is able to see all the plain text, each and every page, as well as change between documents. Not all of the text transfers over correctly, such as plenary meeting, and that just happens to be because of the smudge marks. However, if the text is clear enough, such as this paragraph here, Carl can see that it easily, or mostly, rather, translates over. You can also look at the database to see who the speaker was for the speech, the country that the speech happened to be in, and the year that the speech took place. If Carl wants to, he can also download the database as a CSV for both files, and he can also download the plain text for both files, and in the case of the second plenary meeting, read the text. It also displays the end of the page so that Carl knows that this was the page of the document. The document has more than one page. It will display more end pages. Unfortunately, something we could not include in this iteration is the autocorrect feature because the runtime was atrocious, and we were not able to put in the visualizer that was supposed to show the change of speech over time. However, if an autocorrect feature could have better runtime, certainly it is something we'd like to include. In the future, if we are to update and expand upon this application, we would like to be able to include languages that have special characters, as OCR does support scanning different languages, and not necessarily scanning assuming everything's in English. And having the user be able to pick which language they would like to scan could be a nice feature to implement. Otherwise, we hope Carl has gotten what he wanted out of the application, and we hope that you also choose to use semantic structured information for all your document scanning needs.